How to close your Libertex account. First of all, open the app on your device and make sure you are logged in. Once logged in, tap on the More section from the bottom bar, then scroll down and select Help and Feedback. Since there is no direct close account option in the app, you will need to contact Libertex customer support to request account closure. In the Help and Feedback section, you can use live chat, help and support, email us, or support by messengers to reach the support team. Clearly explain that you want to close your Libertex account and provide any necessary account details for verification. The support team will guide you through the account closure process, including confirming any remaining balances or pending transaction. Make sure all your funds are withdrawn before requesting closure to avoid any issues. Now you know how to close your Libertex account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more trading tips.